Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to organize a large Steam library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main Steam interface where you can access all of your games and features. Now in the upper left corner of your screen, click on Library. This will display your entire game collection, which might feel overwhelming if you have hundreds of titles scattered without any organization. That's exactly what we're about to fix. Next, right-click on any game you want to organize. When the context menu appears, hover your mouse over Add To. This option is key because it allows you to group your games into custom categories, making navigation much faster and cleaner. From there, click on New Collection. A dialog box will pop up asking you to set up your new collection, which is where you'll start building your organizational system. Enter your preferred name for the collection in the designated field. This could be anything that helps you categorize your games based on genre, play status, or any other system that works for you. Once you've entered the name, you'll be presented with two options, Create Collection and Create Dynamic Collection. For instance, click Create Dynamic Collection since it is best for auto-sorting big libraries. The advantage here is that you won't need to manually update it every time you add new games, and it keeps things always organized without extra effort on your part. Now, to start populating your new collection, right-click on any game you want to add. Then hover your mouse over Add To and select the collection you just created. This assigns the game to that specific group. After you do this, your collection will appear in the left panel, organized based on the collection name you added. This makes browsing your library far more intuitive, especially when you're dealing with a massive game count. If you want to add more collections to further organize your library, simply right-click on any other game you want to organize. Hover your mouse over Add To, then click New Collection again. Enter your preferred name for the new collection in the designated field, then click Create Dynamic Collection just like before. This ensures consistency in how your collections function and keeps everything automated. Once more, right-click any game you want to add to this new collection. Hover your mouse over Add To and select the collection you just added. The game will now be grouped accordingly. Just repeat these steps as needed for as many collections as you want to create. Over time, you'll have a fully customized library that's easy to navigate and perfectly suited to your gaming habits. And that's it, you've successfully organized your large Steam library into manageable collections. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.